But he's hard man, you can see. Oh, you can see the squirrel right there. It's a squirrel right there. See it? Look at. See him? You see him? Should we approach him? Hardheadmario approach? Oh, there he is. Closer glimpse of the squirrel. See him? Oh, there he goes. Where'd he go? Look at the relaxing tree. Tree of wisdom. Really relaxing. You can just relax and lay down and sleep. Hardheadmario can roll. And you can see the squirrel is gone. And it's really pretty. Sorry, pretty. You see him? Look at that squirrel. Let's go catch it. Should I catch him? See? You see? Very friendly little critter, huh? Look at it. Look. There he is. Right there. Look. Ooh. You see? Looking at me. Oh, there he goes. See, the tree of wisdom is a lot of nice animals around here, relaxing, and tree clicking, woods clicking. As you can see right there, the beautiful tree of wisdom. It's relaxing. Just listen. That was a beautiful tree. And I think that'll be it for this video. Mario goes squirrel watching. Just listen to that beautiful tree. Very pretty, nice, relaxing tree. I just want to lay down and relax. Just lay down. Hear that? I don't like the sound of that, y'all. I think the squirrel's gonna attack me or something. Just wanna relax. Hardheadmario wants to lay down, but I might get attacked. Well, that's gonna be it for this video. Please like and subscribe.